are meeting once again. I'm sure you must have had a nice vacation with your parents. Your daddy must have taken you out on a drive. Mommy must have made nice khana for you, right? So now what we are going to do is, today we are going to revise all that we have studied about three-letter words. To begin with, we are going to write rhyming words with A, E and I sounds. It's just a revision, children. There's nothing new that we are going to learn today. Okay? You will have all learnt 80 words. Now let's see which two rhyming words we can make with 80. I'll give you a hint. There are two animals where you have the 80 sound. You know that. One is a cat. Yes. How will I spell cat? C-A-T. Cat. Cat. And the second one is, what does a cat like to catch? A cat likes to catch a rat. So R. Who says R? R says R and A-T is at. So rat. Now the next one is A-G. Ag. We pronounce this as ag. Now what do you carry on your back? It is a bag. Burr. Who says burr? He says burr. And ag is A-G, ag. So, bag. Let's think of another word that begins with any one of the alphabets but has A-G in it. You said bag. Can you think of another one? Let's say rag. R. Who says R? R says R. And ag? A-G, ag. So, rag. The next one is N. N. Now, I'm sure you've seen a bird that lays an egg and you eat that egg, isn't it? So, what do you call that bird? Hen. So, her. Who says her? H says her. And N? E-N-N. Hen. Now, where does a lion live? A lion lives in a den. D. Who says D? D says D. And N? E-N-N. Den. Now, which are the two words that have rhyming words with E-N? One is hen and the other is den. E-T. Can you tell me what it is, children? Quick. Et. So, let's make a word with et. Now, these days it has been raining. So, when you go out in the rain, what happens to you? You get wet. W. Who says W? W says W. And et. E-T. Et. So, W. Et. Wet. Yes. Sometimes you tell your mummy, I want you to buy me a badminton set. So how will I spell set? Sir. Who says sir? S says sir. And et. E-T. Et. So sir. Et. Set. Let's look at this one. I-T. I-T is it. When you go to class, what does your teacher tell you? Your teacher tells you to sit in your place. So, sit. Sir. Who says sir? S says sir. And it is I-T, it. Sit. And do you remember the poem that we did? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one side quarter, fish alive. And then which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. So, how will I spell bit? B. Who says B? B says B. And it, I-T, it. So this becomes bit. Sit and bit. Now the next one is I-B-ip. We just learned it a few days back. If you have a small baby or a brother or a sister in the house and your mummy wants to feed it dal and rice, what does she put around the neck of that baby? She puts a bib. Bur. Who says bur? B says bur. And ib, I-B-ib. Bib. And do you remember when we were doing these words, I said we have 12 ribs. R. Who says r? R says r. And ib, I-B-ib. So, r, ib, rib, b, ib, bib. S, it, sit, b, it, bit. Now, this is A-L-L, all. Now, this is very easy. When you play, you can have a, what do you call that? Fall. Fur. Who says fur? F says fur. And all, A-L-L, all. Fall. And what do you call this? This is a wall. Were. Look at my mouth. Were. Who says were? W says were. W-A-L-L. Wall. So fur, all. Fall, were, all, wall. Now let's go. Let us see these on this side. A-N, and. Now what do you switch on when you feel hot? You switch on a, come along, you know it, fan. Fur. Who says fur? F says fur. And an, A-N, an. So fan, F-A-N, fan. Fur, an. Your mummy likes to cook in a, what do you call that? Pan. Per. Who says per? P says per. And an, A-N, an. So pan, per, an. Let's look at the next one. This is A-P, app. When you go out in the sun, you wear a, what do you call it on your head? What do you wear? You call it a cap. K. Who says K? C says K. And app, A-P, app, cap. And what do you put on your lap? L, L. L, L, and app, A-P, app. So L, app is lap. Next one. E-G, egg. Now, you have two, what do you call this? Legs. L. Who says L? L says L. An egg, E-G, egg, leg. And where do you hang your clothes? You hang your clothes on a peg. P. Who says P? P says P. So P and egg. E-G, egg. Peg. So we've seen A-N, an. So fur, an. Per, an. For A-P, we've got K, app, cap. L, app, lap. For E-G, we've got L, egg, leg. Per, egg, peg. Now for ED, ed. Where do you sleep? What do you say? I sleep on a bed. B. Who says B? B says B. And ed, ED, ed. Bed. Now sometimes you ask your mummy to make you eat. So what do we say? Fed. Fur. F says fur. So fur and ed. Fed. So with ed we formed ed, bed, fur, ed, fed. With eg, egg, we formed egg, leg, fur, egg, bed. Now with in, it's very easy. Sometimes when your button is broken, and what does mummy do? She takes a pin and she puts it here. Or even your handkerchief, when she pins it for you here, isn't it? With a safety pin. Per. Who says per? P says per. And in, in. Pin. And what does a fish have? What does it swim with? It swims with its fin. Fur. Who says fur? F says fur. And in, in. Fin. So with in, we can make a word fur in pin, fur in fin. Now this is ig. What do you call that? Big. Yes. Who says burr? B says burr. And ig is ig. So big. And there's another animal that is grunt. Who's that? It's a pig. Purr. Who says purr? P says purr. And ig? ig. Pig. Now let's look at the last one. ELL. When we did water, you remember I told you that we get water from you pull it out with a bucket. What do you call that? Well. Who says were? W says were, and ELL is L. So, well. And when you go to school in the morning, what happens? There is a bell that rings. You also have a bell in your mandir? Yes? So how will I spell bell? B-E-L-L is bell. So children, today we have revised all the rhyming words with A, E and I sounds, and we have done it very well. So I think I need to give you a big clap for that. We won't just take a clap. We'll take a duck clap. Quack, 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 and clap. Would you like to take, no, let's have something warm, cold to drink, okay? So what will we do? We catch a bottle, and then we'll open it, and then we'll drink it. कैसा लगा?
अच्छा लगा.
अच्छा लगा. थोड़ा अच्छा लगा कि बहुत अच्छा लगा?
बहुत
अच्छा लगा. Yes. So we finished revising A, E and I sound words. Friends, if you like my videos and if you would like me to send up some more videos of this kind that you like, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my videos. And of course, please don't forget to press the bell icon